So hello guys, my name is Harsh and today I am making this video in English language because you know the reason. So I am not going to tell you. So let's get started. So in this video I am going to tell you about the demerits of Unity ads. Already I have talked merits of Unity ads, but in this video I am going to talk about demerits of Unity ads. Unity ads is also some bugs, not bugs, but some problems. Okay, the first one, payouts are delayed sometimes. What is the meaning of this? See, if you have earned $100 or any dollar you have earned, 50, 150 or $200 you have earned, even if it is transferred to available balance, and if the date is given that next payout schedule is on 25th May 2022, so after that also you will get some delay. Okay, if it is written that 25th, then understand that it will come to 26 or 27 or 28 or 30. Okay, because sometimes the payouts are delayed by the Unity ads. I don't think that all users having this problem, but I have faced sometime. Okay, so the second problem I have faced with Unity ads is that sometimes rewarded ads are not showing in the application. Even I have implemented the latest SDK, the SDK 4.0.1, but even after that I am not seen my rewarded ads in the application. Okay, so I don't know why it is happening with me, but the rewarded ads is not working. And one more thing is that whenever rewarded ads come, it creates very much load on the application, and for that the application starts crashing. Okay, so the third, eCPM is low sometime. Okay, I am not telling every time it is low, but sometime it is low. If we compare to other ad network, we find that eCPM is higher than Unity ads, but in Unity ads we find that the eCPM is very low. Even if you are integrating the latest SDK, even if you are doing everything which you can do for Unity ads, but then also you are not getting that much eCPM which you get. Okay, so these are the points which should be discussed. Okay, and you should also understand the demerits of anything. Okay, in this world nothing is perfect. Okay, anything, if we talk about anything, it has some demerits, it has some merits. Okay, so Unity ads is also a ad network, so it has merits and demerits. So the first one which I talked, payouts are delayed. The second one is that rewarded ads are not showing sometime, and the third is eCPM is very low, okay, as compared to other ad network. Okay, so in this video that's it. Thank you very much.